In this video, we'll see how to automate document generation using docuWeaver. For example, when an opportunity is marked Closed Won, a contract document can be generated automatically and stored on Salesforce or external storage. First, ensure that a dataset and document template are already configured. For this example, we will generate a sales agreement document from an opportunity record. Navigate to Flows. Click New Flow and select Record Triggered Flow. Choose the opportunity object. Configure the trigger condition. Then click Add Element. Search for Generate Document and select the action. Provide the label and name, then the action name. Use this option to perform post-document generation actions, such as Attach, which attaches the generated document to records. If you provided the Attach action, provide the record ID in the Attach to Record option to specify where the document should be attached. Select the output format. Provide the triggering record ID in the Record ID option to fetch the required data for document generation. Provide the storage path and storage profile details, and enter the document template API name. Save the flow and click Activate. Now the automation is ready. Let's test the process. Open any opportunity record and update the stage to Closed Won. The flow will trigger automatically. docuWeaver generates the document and stored on Salesforce or external storage and attaches it to the record. This automation eliminates manual document generation and ensures documents are created consistently for every record.